What's going on, folks? Brian here, back with another update for my automated drink project. And right now this is a demonstration of the GUI I've been developing in Visual Basic for the little drink machine. Now I had four motors hooked up at a robotics club, Create Robotics, out of South Berwick, and it was pretty exciting. But let's go ahead and let's start this program up. And here's my drink client, and I have a configuration tab. So right now it's telling you, hey, you got to configure the drinks, and you got to do this and you got to do that to get the thing to work. So let's go ahead and let's connect to our board, and let's go to configure. Whoa, password require. Alright, it's required, so we need to put in the admin password. And let's see if that will work. Oh, that's the wrong password. Oh, I know the right password, but I'm not telling anyone. Alright, so entering the right password, the correct password, will open up the configuration tab. And all you got to do is go, hey, there's four motors. Let's select the drink. So I click on this. I select tequila. And if I go to another motor, you'll see tequila is no longer an option, so I'll go whiskey, and I'll just leave that right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll save that and close it. As you can see, tequila and whiskey are the only ones that are available. So choosing motor 1 value added tequila here and whiskey. So let's say you want to do a custom drink. You just select the shots you want, and it added a 1.5, and it added a 4.4 to the text box. Now in the final program that's not going to be there, but this is just for debugging. So if I hit mix, that should go ahead and mix those drinks. There it goes. Oh yeah, so 1 and 5, 4 and 4. Let's try that again. Alright, so there is no motor 4 right now, but that's why I have the debug code. And sure enough, motor 1 was on longer. You can look at the see motor 2 is done. Then motor 1 was done about a second after. So this VB program you've seen before, but the configuration tab with the admin inputs. So the admin, and if I click on it again, it's password required. So I have to enter in the right password. Alright, got in, and motor 1 is still tequila, and there's nothing at motor 2, so let's go ahead and let's get some fireball in there, and save and exit that. And right now you're gonna say, hey Henderson, what's going on here? There's still a drink there. Well, I cleared the drink just so you can see. It will auto clear once the program is done. So let's go whiskey for 3. 2-second pour for fireball. And let's go 9 seconds with the vodka. Tequila, I'm sorry, tequila. And let's go ahead and mix that. Oh yeah. So as you can see, motor 2 only had a 2-second pour that shut off right away, and then motor 1, which is tequila, that shut off later. So this is awesome. So when I clear, notice when I hit clear, motor number 3 is not defined. It's telling you, hey, configure the drink. It's okay if it's not there. I mean, you may have a situation where you run out of booze and you just have to take away options for the people at your the party. Let's log back in here. And let's say, oh boy, motor 2 is motor 3's a Bailey's. Well, what if you screwed up, right? All these tequila, Fireball, Bailey's, whiskeys line up with the options here. All you got to do is hit reset and go back to saying motor 1 is a gin, motor 4 is a rum. You know, motor, again, all these options are being taken away when they're selected, so that's pretty important. And then hit save and exit. And what if you only want, what do you want, a gin and some rum? Alright, hit mix. No motor 4, but it's still gonna show up in the debug. And once you hit clear, look what happens. It makes it so it all comes back. They're all enabled again, so you can choose your options. And then you hit mix drink, and you'll have a whole new drink coming. And it's still pouring, I think. Oh, yeah, it's still pouring because there's an 8-second pour for the rum. And now it's done clear, done drink. So clear that out. This is huge. This is huge because now I'm able to do recipes, and I'm able to have an administrator come in and set the values for each motors. And again, I could have 8 motors, 100 motors, and all they do is, you know, you just come over here and you select what you want, and then it's gonna compare this against a recipe database that I'm building now. But this right here is just a quick and dirty little GUI that allows everybody to see this operate. So I'm just clicking and selecting shot values, and see, it doesn't matter. See, that's why it was powerful and so important for me to have the main board run regardless of the order that these drinks were inputted. Because it's no good if you have to say 1, 2, 3, 4. It's too hard to program that. So the main board will he doesn't care. It doesn't care what order these are in. It cares how it's sequenced. Alright, so let's go ahead and mix that. It's a 1 second for all of them. Perfect. And the drink is done. Well, that's it. It's a short little update. I think everything's working real well, and I'm going to polish, go ahead, disconnect. I'm going to polish this program up a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with the progress. And again, you hit clear, it doesn't clear out the values for the drinks. You know, it doesn't clear it out. And it's in the configuration tab. If you ever wanted to reset everything, you log in, you hit your reset button, and now you just go back. Thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy. In the next couple of weeks, I hope to get this thing built for you guys so you can see the stuff be poured. All right, take it easy.